Introducing Build a Garden Peruvian Lily. Beautiful outline image and lots of great sentiments in this set. Let's have a quick look at the layering guide. First, you're going to see there's time to color down on the bottom, as well as 2 A2 card examples. On the back, you see all the supplies used to create the project shown. In the center, you're going to see all of the inks used to create the image shown, and those are also going to be shown as you work your way through the stencils, coloring in the outline image for your project. And next, we have the beautiful stencil set that comes with this. You get 4 6x6 stencils this month. As always, we're going to have that mini ink blending tool to help you add color to your outline image. And for an add-on this month in the store, you can buy the Peruvian Lily add-on die set to cut out the outline image as well as the bolded sentiments. We're going to get started here. I have my image 9x9 on my 9x12 mat. I'm on stencil 1A1 with pink diamond using my mini ink blending tool. Next, we're going to move to stencil number 2A2. We're going to get this taped into place with some satin masking tape before using Pinkalicious with our mini ink blending tool. Next, we'll move to stencil number 3A3. We'll use Rubelite ink on this. And on these stencils, you will notice there is a line. If you're not familiar with our stencils, the line separates out what you will be blending in specific steps. So make sure to check your layering guide as well as your stencils when you are blending. Next, we'll move to stencil number 4. On stencil number 4, we are going to do A4, and that's going to be with Razzleberry ink. Getting a nice deep dark blend of this beautiful, beautiful tone onto our Peruvian Lily. And at the bottom of stencil 4A5, we're going to use Oak Moss to fill in these openings. Next, we'll travel back to stencil number 1. At the bottom, we're going to fill in B1, and that's going to be with Aloe Vera ink. Next, we'll remove that. We'll move to stencil number 2. That's going to be B2. Get that taped into place with our satin masking tape, and we will use Matcha Tea on this layer of color. And finally, we're going to move to stencil 3B3, and on here we're going to use Swamp Green as our color to finish off our arrangement. Absolutely stunning arrangement. Coming up, you're going to see some inspiration created by our fabulous designers. To find out more about Build a Garden Peruvian Lily and other available products, please visit us at Altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.